Yo, what's good, your boy? DoorDash tips or side hustle tutorial or food addict. Welcome back to another ride along, fam. We did some Instacart and some Uber Eats shopping this morning, but now we're back at it with Uber Eats, mostly food delivery. We do have a $10 for 2 miles McDonald's, and I think the tip's gonna come through 97%. 97% chance the tip's gonna come through. All right, let's do this McDonald's order, huh? 10 for 2. Let's get it, fam. Just 2 more minutes. Not too shabby. All right, right as I pick up the McDonald's, we do have a 9 for 2 7-Eleven with Uber Eats. Let's go. Double stack, baby.
Right turn, then pick up.
All right. 7-Eleven, fam. 7-Eleven. That's our next pickup. Let's go. Alright, let's go deliver some McDonald's and 7-Eleven. Let's go. Alright, fam, smooth drop off except for traffic. It is 5:30 p.m. Didn't have a chance to record the first drop off, but you know, basically you take it to the front door. So that was a pretty good double stack, fam. So I have a feeling 97% the tip's gonna come through. Yeah, once in a blue moon we do get some tip betas, but it's pretty rare. All right. Today is Tuesday, 5:38 p.m. So I did take an order that's a little bit lower. $5.60 for 2 miles. Let's go.
Then turn left.
All right, back to the same McDonald's. Different app. We got a Grubhub. $7.50 for 2.5. $7.50 for 2.5 with Grubhub. Let's come inside, pick it up. Let's go. All right, almost ready, fam. Almost ready. All right, just 1 minute and it's ready. Let's go. If you guys been watching my last few videos, you guys know Grubhub's been dead in Denver. I usually get about 1 or 2 orders for the whole week with Grubhub lately. The deal between Amazon Prime and Grubhub did not help them out. So yeah, Grubhub's just been dead lately, fam. But I try to do at least 1 order every month or so just to keep the account active, you know. But honestly, some days I don't even bother with Grubhub, you know. But here we are, $7.50 for 2.5. Let's go. Oh man, these Grubhub offers lately. 4 for 4? Come on, dude. This ain't 2015, man. No, I ain't gonna do 4 for 4, dude. Get out of here. Yeah, Grubhub's been a joke lately, fam. All you DoorDash non-tippers, you need to get yourself a bus. Bus that All right, just like clockwork. We got an Uber Eats at the same McDonald's, $7.50 for 2.5 again, Uber Eats. Let's go. Man, I've been to this McDonald's like 4 times within like 2 hours. Crazy. All right, fam. So some of these handles are not very, you know, sturdy. Just put it in the food bag. That way you don't rip the whole bag, you know. Oh yeah, forgot to tell you guys the order was ready. But for some reason my phone is not charging today, man. It's been sitting at 12%. So it might last like another 1 hour, and we have to go home and take a break. Yeah, I should have gone out with a fully charged phone, but I've been busy the whole day, you know. Didn't have a chance to charge my phone. Yeah, these Samsung batteries sucks, man. All right, fam. After like 8 minutes of no action and declining all the Walmart Spark orders, we got a Wingstop. Let's hope it's ready. This Wingstop is kind of fast, not the fastest, but pretty fast. All right, It's like right across the street. Yeah, I try to log on with Spark, but too many .com. You know how I feel about .com. Decline. Too many miles for too little dollars. Do not do .com. Yeah, we got a Wingstop. What is it? $8 for 2 miles. Yeah, not too shabby. Yeah. This area is not the best tipping area, but it's above average. It's anywhere from average to above average. Yeah. This is South Denver by Lincoln High School. Thornton is one of the worst. North Aurora, on average, is one of the worst. Thornton and North Aurora, no go for me, man. All right, fam, it is 6:57 p.m. Gonna have to take a break. The phone is not charging, my Samsung, and I can't do Uber Eats with my iPhone. You know, I can't call the customer and stuff. So that's the difference between Uber Eats and DoorDash. With DoorDash, you can log on with a second phone in the same Dasher app, and you can call them, but not with Uber Eats and not with Grubhub. So I'm gonna go pump gas and gonna go home, take a nap, and we might be back out in a little bit. All right, fam. With the last 3 Uber Eats order pending, we'll probably make like another $10 to $15 with the last 3 pending, and we did make 44 with Instacart. It took me like 2 hours. Yeah, I was very slow today. It was a batch order, double order at Costco, and if you were super fast, I think you can get it done the total time, maybe 1 hour 10 minutes, you know, driving there and shopping and delivering it. But I was really slow. It took me like 1 hour 50 minutes or something. Yeah, I was struggling. So I did make like 44 with Instacart and 84 right now with Uber Eats, maybe plus another 15. So not bad for a Tuesday. But Walmart Spark sucks today. I did see some good Amazon Flex blocks, but it's either too far away or too early. There was a 4:30 a.m. block. Yeah, it's too early for me. So now I think I'm gonna take a nap. I'll be back out in a minute. All right. Thank you everybody for watching this day in the life Uber Eats gig worker video. Peace, fam.